Hey, MCC Tech Tips. Arthur here. What is Barracuda and why do I keep getting emails about it? Well, first things first, I don't mean this Barracuda, but MCC's spam and quarantine filter that gives you the control over your spam and quarantine filter from your MCC employee email account. It delivers a report to you 3 times a day at a 6:30, at 4, and 9 if you have anything. Here is what we are going to learn today. How to log into Barracuda, how to quickly set an email as safe or spam, and how to encrypt email. And a couple more pro tips along the way. With that being said, let's just jump into it. To log in to Barracuda, go to your Outlook and find the Barracuda network email. Click on the View Message Log. Congratulations, you are logged into Barracuda. Let's familiarize ourselves with Barracuda layout. By clicking on the message filter, you can sort through emails based on status, like quarantine, deferred, and blocked. For now, I'm just going to click on all. Under messages is search. Here's where you can search through the messages in Barracuda. Next to search is the date range. You can set it for 2 days to 2 weeks to a month. I'm going to set it to a month and click search. Barracuda shows us all the current emails called over the month. To the left of your messages, you will see a rectangle that will be either green, yellow, or red. Green means the emails have been delivered to your MCC inbox. Yellow means the emails have been quarantined by Barracuda. It won't deliver the emails to your MCC inbox, but will hold on to the emails within Barracuda for future review by you. Red means the email have been blocked by Barracuda. It won't deliver the emails to your MCC inbox, nor can you view the emails within Barracuda. So, how do you set up an email as safe or spam? Easy. Select the email you want to mark as spam and select spam. For the email you believe that's not spam, just select the email and click not spam. Couple of pro tips. If you see your email address under the form field, that email is spam. More most likely somebody's spoofing your email address. Also, if you are sending out massive emails, you can only send out 100 emails at a time. Any more than that, Barracuda will think you are spamming and will start deferring your emails. Now for the fun stuff, encrypted email. To send an encrypted email from your MCC employee account to an external email address, include encryption in the subject line. Once you include encryption with the brackets within the subject line, the message will be encrypted. Make sure you capitalize the E in encryption. Couple more pro tips. Barracuda will block any email sending out social security numbers or credit card numbers, regardless if it is encrypted or not. Also, any mail you are sending to someone else with a Mclennan email address is automatically encrypted. So here's how it look for a person receiving your encrypted email. They will click on the email, click on the email link, and type in a password, retype in a password, and then they are able to click on your encrypted message. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. See you on the next one.